Well,
so I guess I could be called the first test subject of sorts.
yeah.
Like the dude that, like, you know, kind of a new program that, like, if you did that kind of 10 or 20 hour kind of thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Because, I mean, the people you're talking about working with those are the kind of people who would definitely need that kind of intensity, right?
They would. Like, I just don't like to do what I call 1 hour wonders, or, you know what I mean? One treatment wonders, even if it's 2 or 3 hours, it's still not, you know, you're touching the tip of the iceberg, you know? And I don't want that pressure on me to kind of go, oh, let me loosen this person up in 2 hours, you know? Which I used to, you know, sometimes think, okay, you know? It's like, no. This took you fucking years to get this fucked up, you know? It's going to take, it just takes me what it takes me, and it
what
takes...
kind of, like, you've, like, been in Iraq and killed people
yeah,
and seen terrible, you know.
Inside of you,
Yeah.
And then the Veterans Administration has treated you like shit, you know?
You lost your wife, she cheated on you while you were gone at war or something.
Yeah, and you come back, nobody really gives a shit.
Your kids don't know you anymore.
Yeah.
Dog ran away.
Yeah. You shitted your pants, you know? All sorts of shit. I think a lot of guys do shit themselves when they're in fucking, you know, being shot at. That'd be kind of embarrassing as well.
Yeah. I can feel that for sure. Like, you know, like, this seems like something's
It's
moving there.
definitely moving a lot better. It was so jammed, like in your jaw before. It was just like it was like and in your neck, and now it's like
I'm getting goosebumps right now from that whatever's happening.
Yeah.
That's kind of good, like, good energy's happening there right now, right?
Yeah, it's all moving. The good energy's allowed to move. Previously, your good energy was stuck, and sorry, I keep doing that. It's really, there's something just in here. I don't know if you can feel that.
It may just be a layer that's gonna take time.
I think so. But we'll just get that jaw open. It's connected with this. Yeah, because previously, if I'd have done this, you would have, like, had objections, you know? Now you're just like, oh, thank you, Brandon. I really appreciate you working in there.
Okay.
Big breath. Oh, that was big.
So you think you've taken, like, for this body, you've taken a decade or more off?
I think so. I'm thinking more like 15 years almost.
Wow.
It's just starting to really feel like things are letting go now, you know, like just the general, because we've done the specific, but also the general effect upon your mentality is that you're able to just relax, you know, more and like breathe and just get into that letting go kind of mentality, you know.
Yeah.
Get you to take a deep breath.
Feels like the world kind of stops.
Yeah.
Where you kind of like,
Yeah.
it's kind of like,
Can take a deep breath and just relax. Yeah, it's kind of like you've been in fight or flight for a long time, it feels like.
yeah.
See, it almost feels like I did a better job on that arm than this arm, you know? And, well, it's not just me doing it. That you were in a more receptive frame of mind. Yeah. And so I can still feel like this joint here is like quite tight, you know what I mean? Like that's where a second run, I'll be like, yeah, we need to do a second run on this hand.
Yeah.
But this is so much better than it was on day one, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, that was so good. There's like a deep one in here. Yeah, see, you know, obviously stage 2 is going to be you know, like we got to get this out, but like it seems like you're still, you know what I mean? Like that's our next layer.
Yeah. That one went
Yeah, that one went really nice. Big breath.